there, Jenny here with WTI. And if you're looking for a really nice and cute gift for a couple or for a wedding shower, this is a great gift. So this Mr. and Mrs. mug set comes in a beautiful box. So if you're thinking of a gift, it's definitely the perfect choice. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's got this beautiful gold writing on it. And I just love all the little details about this mug. For example, you get a lid on each mug. So if you want to keep your beverage hot for longer, you can definitely place the lid on. It also comes with these adorable spoons. They're gold and they have the Mr. and Mrs. logo on it. They're just absolutely adorable. And this actually, I just noticed the other day. I was looking at the back of the mugs and I realized that if you place one on top of each other, then you get a beautiful gold heart. So that is super sweet. These mugs are absolutely wonderful. I use them all the time for tea, for coffee. I'm quite impressed with the quality. The writing, if you notice, all the gold's still there. It hasn't faded or chipped away. So these are beautiful mugs that I would definitely recommend. And that is my point of view.